Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sophie D. If you are new here, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe quickly. And if you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Please don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can get a notification when I post. And please watch the video till the end. So today guys, I'm going to talk about only the people you truly know can hurt you. Yes. On guys, only the people you truly and deeply love can hurt you. Yeah. You know how strangers can do something to you on the road and then you get angry for a few minutes and then you completely forget it when you leave that environment. Yeah. It's because they do not have any emotions connected to your being. You do not know them, you do not love them, and you do not really care about them that much. Which is why only the people you truly love and care about can make you feel deeply hurt. Yes, I said it. Yes. So, how do you overcome this kind of hurt? First of all, whatever they have done to you, or whether they've done to you in the past, whether in the present, today, yesterday, or years ago, understand that their actions do not determine who you are. It's not a determinant for your worth. It's not a determinant for your personality or who you should be. Yes, what they did was wrong. It was hurtful. You still hold it back in your being. Every time the trauma keeps ringing in your head, you can't forget about it. You keep remembering. Yes, that is valid. That is very, very valid. But I want to tell you today that it's time to let go, you know? It's time to let go. It's holding those hurt controls your emotions and how you're supposed to heal. First thing is to understand that those things or those actions do not determine who you are. You're more than whatever had happened. You can be so much more. Today is a new day, and then there's so much beautiful things that can happen and come out of your life tomorrow. Now, first thing you have to do is focus on your personal growth. And yeah, in order for you to grow, you have to let go of those experiences. It's hard to say and hard to do, yeah. But in order for us to move forward, we have to let go of yesterday so we can move on and get a better version of tomorrow. So you have to focus on yourself, have personal development, have growth mindset. Don't let those things they've said to you, those actions they've done to you, determine how your next level of life is going to be. You can be so much more. Don't let those things discourage you. Okay? Another thing you want to do is to surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with positive people, people who truly care about you, not people who pretend to care, you know. Surround yourself with people who want you to grow and are constantly pushing you to grow and are constantly mentioning your name in a room full of opportunities. Okay? Forgive. Let go. It's gonna hold you back. Okay? It's gonna hold you back if you do not let go. But be mindful, forgiveness does not mean you should reconnect with these people. It means that it's for your own peace of mind and for your own growth. Because the moment you let go, you're able to step into the next level of your life. And then set healthy boundaries. Because you love these people does not mean they can hurt you over and over again. No, you do not let them hurt you over and over again. Okay? Love, it's okay. It could be your family, friends, loved ones, lovers, or anything. You could set a very healthy boundaries around them. You can love them from afar. Give them a distance. Yeah. Love people from afar. Give them a long distance so that they do not hurt you or open those pain in your heart again. It is very okay to distance yourself and limit interactions for your well-being, your mental health, and for your personal development and growth. Because every time you stay around those toxic people or people who continuously hurt you, you start to reduce in your inner self. Your inner child starts to become small and small, and your confidence will reduce. That inner giant, you want to wake it up, so you do not want to be around people who constantly make them feel small. So you have to be kind to your inner child by staying away from those people or limit interactions with them. Protect yourself, protect your sanity, and your overall health. Be thankful for that. Don't let the actions of these people that have hurt you define you. Pick all of those bricks or rocks that have been thrown at you and build a beautiful house for yourself in your mind. Yeah. Take up all of those stones that have been thrown at you and build a castle, not a wall. Allow your heart to be free. Allow yourself to be free. Let go of everything. You're very strong. You're capable, and you are limitless. There's so much endless possibilities around you. Pick up the broken pieces of your life, and it's time to grow. It's time to move forward. So when you start to feel deeply hurt, remind yourself that only people you truly love can hurt you. So what do? Either you unlove them or limit your interaction, distance yourself from those people, because you can't really change how people treat you, but you can change how you react to those things. I hope you heal from whatever is hurting you and whatever is holding you back. See you again in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share my video to your friends. It might be very helpful to them. See you again, and click on the notification bell so you can get a notification when I post again. Bye.